Hello, welcome to the Trovo booth. Trovo is a brand new live streaming platform. We've been around for about a year and a half. We're trying to do stuff a little bit differently to other platforms. We've actually got a live open paid partnership program where streamers can actually earn a salary directly from the program itself based on their watch hours. It's like a competitive program. It's the top 750 creators each month can actually earn a wage anywhere from $800 to $6,000 a month, as well as a $400K a month split prize pool that gets distributed to all smaller streamers with anywhere over 900 watch hours. So typically a full-time streamer with just 15 concurrent viewers could probably earn maybe $50 to $100 a month from the platform itself, as well as on top of your usual earnings, subscriptions, donations, other cool features. We've got some really cool discoverability features as well that enable streamers to boost their channel to the homepage for free based on our free-to-earn currency called Mana, which viewers literally earn just from watching streams. So as well as viewers that obviously can support streamers in a financial way, can also support streamers in a free way too. So just trying to do stuff a little bit differently. We've got a really awesome community. The platform is growing really quickly, and I hope you like what we have to offer. This is the Trovo booth.